Here I have a electronic tabla with me just to give you a good demo. This is a tal mala. It has all the tal in here. As we can see, you have almost 22 tal in here. You have Jhumra, Tilwada, Adana, Keherwa, Jhaptal, Deep, Chandi, Rupak, Dadra, Ek tal, Teen tal. Let's look at Teen tal first. So I press Teen tal, which sets this to Teen tal, and then I start the tal. So now if you can just look at the number of beats here, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Dha, din, din, da, 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 dha. So that's how the cycle keeps moving within the 16 beats, and we start the composition given the notation. It would always tell you whether the song starts from a khali, or whether it starts from a sum, or whether it starts from one of the beats within. It's not necessary for the song to always start at the beginning of the division. There are some compositions that may start in the middle of the division. For example, we have done Rag Kafi, Kadarapiya. Kadarapiya, if you look at the notation, it starts from the division is sum, but the composition starts from the fourth beat. So it would be dha din din kadar piya naiya mori kaise lage par kadar piya naiya mori kaise lage par. So the par comes at sum, so it would be par kadar piya. Now when I write that notation down, it would be, I would have the same divisions here, and I have, first I write the notes, right? So ma, oh sorry, ma ga ga, ga is komal, ma pa dha pa ga ma ga ga re re. Pa comes at the next line, comes at pa here, and then again comes back to here. The second line that we write in the notation is the bol, which means the lyrics that go along with this tune. So this first line basically gives you what swar we are singing, which defines the tune for the song. The second line here gives you the words. So I would write kadar piya naiya mori kaise lage para. The third line in the composition defines where am I in the tal. So this basically gets transposed back to the third line in the notation. So here I am saying this is my first division where I am starting Kadarapiya from. The and ga would come here at the second division. Naiya Mori will come at the khali, and kaise lage will come at the third division. So this is how I write the notation, and this par again comes back to the sum. So when I start the song, I'll say 1, 2, 3 kadar piya naiya mori kaise lage par kadar piya naiya mori kaise lage par. So that's how you have to read the notation. The notation is, first line is the swar, which means the exact notes that they're singing, and all these notes belong to Rag Kafi, as we are singing Rag Kafi here. The second line will be the words, the lyrics for the song that we are singing. Kadar piya naiya mori kaise lage para. The third line, the small line here, is actually where we are with respect to the tal. So in this case it's teen tal. So where do we start Kadar piya here? If you go back to the basics here, it's 1, 2, 3. So the first 1, 2, 3 beats are empty. You start from the fifth beat here. So kadar piya naiya. So naiya comes at khali again. Naiya mori kaise lage para. And then again at the fourth beat you can again repeat the same sentence. So that's how the tal is related to the compositions that we sing.